Hey guys, how you doing today? I hope you're all well. So I'm obviously I'm back from my vacation, but this was one of the chocolates that I found at the store at the airport actually. Excuse me, at the airport, and it's Kit Kat, but it's I never seen this flavor in Canada, so we'll give it a shot and see how it is. So it says it's caramel crisp. I've had caramel Kit Kat, but not caramel crisp Kit Kat before. Always Kit Kats always smell good. Always. It's good, but I don't really taste the caramel. But it's very good. If I was in the DR again, yeah, I would buy it, but I'm not. I'm here. I've never seen caramel crisp here in Canada. So, I don't know, but it's pretty good nonetheless. And I would buy it again. So guys, as usual, please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. And again, thank you for the almost 2,500 subscribers I have so far. It's very much appreciated. From the first person that subscribed to the last person that subscribed. I also got some subscribers from the Dominican Republic, because I saw that. So it's very much appreciated. Thank you. Gracias. Muchos gracias. Adios. Bye.